Are you ready to unleash the power of the most advanced cleaning device you've ever seen? Introducing the ZERA MAX, where cutting-edge technology meets ultimate convenience. Say goodbye to dust, crumbs, and debris. The ZERA MAX isn't just a portable air duster, it's a game changer. With an astonishing 150,000 RPM motor, this powerful little device delivers an unparalleled blast of air that clears away even the toughest particles. And with its intuitive digital display, you have complete control at your fingertips. But that's not all. The ZERA MAX is a two-in-one marvel, effortlessly switching between a high-powered duster and a precision vacuum. Thanks to its magnetic nozzles, swapping between modes has never been quicker or easier. Whether you need to clean out your keyboard, tidy up your car interior, or refresh your workspace, the ZERA MAX is your all-in-one solution. Compact and sleek, the ZERA MAX is designed for on-the-go convenience. It's lightweight, yet powerful enough to handle any task. And with a long-lasting battery, you can clean wherever and whenever you need, without worrying about running out of power. Why settle for anything less when you can have the best? The ZERA MAX, your ultimate portable cleaning companion. Powerful, versatile, and ready for whatever comes your way. Get yours today and experience the future of cleaning.